Holy fuck, it smells like two-stroke. Oh, no way. This is the man's simmer pot.
Start off with a bit of beer. One full bottle minus one swig. Some leftover coffee. Whatever you got laying around. Everybody's got a little bit laying around. Cut up some vegetables. I got some potatoes here. That's about the manliest vegetable going. Don't want to overdo it, so that's probably good. Yep. Have these decaf coffee beans. Never going to drink them, so may as well use them. A little bit of steel wool. Got a little bit of sawdust. Probably good enough. And then to finish it off, a couple little shots of brake clean. And who doesn't love the smell of two-stroke oil? There we go.
All right, so let it bubble up.
No way. I can already smell the coffee beans. The first thing is coffee. It's not even at 40 degrees. That's crazy. Okay. She's just about to boil. Well, that's strange. I cut it at 90 degrees. Oh, maybe I set it at 90 degrees. Smells strongly of sawdust, oddly enough. Yeah, the sawdust is the number one thing.
No way, it smells like two-stroke. Holy fuck, it smells like two-stroke. Oh, no way. Oh.
Now, not like fresh out of the sled, but it smells like two-stroke oil. Oh, that's amazing. Yeah, she even got that, look at that blue tinge to her. All right, it's cooled down for a bit. Let's let her run one more time. Now, obviously, the best way to do this is going to be to just have a hot plate and, as the name would suggest, simmer a pot. But I can't get this kettle to stay on. Once it gets to boiling, it just immediately shuts off. But it still smells good for a while, so I've just been flicking it off and on. But yeah, if you're going to attempt to do this yourself, get yourself a hot plate. And it's quite bizarre, because it doesn't smell like two-stroke exhaust, but it does have faint hints of, no, not even faint hints, strong hints of two-stroke oil. The smell really carries. Whew, yep. The one thing it doesn't smell like is beer. I'm getting hints of sawdust, lots of two-stroke oil. What else? Maybe a touch of coffee. Not smelling any brake clean. I assume that all flashed off pretty much immediately. But yeah, the weirdest thing to me is that I cannot, I mean, obviously the potatoes, you're not going to smell that. But the beer, can't even detect the faintest hint of the beer. It's making my garage smell great.